Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open a Chevy Blazer trunk from inside. Start by folding the rear seats forward to access the cargo area and locate the manual release handle or cable. If you cannot find the release, check under the back seat and along the trunk liner for a small tab or glow-in-the-dark handle. Use steady, firm pulls and avoid jerking to prevent damage, then lift the trunk lid carefully. Begin by folding the rear seats or entering the cargo area to reach the trunk interior. Look for a yellow or glow-in-the-dark emergency release handle near the latch or at the trunk floor edge. Grip the handle and pull straight toward you with steady pressure until you hear the latch click and the trunk rises. If resistance occurs, reposition and pull again, then push the trunk lid up gently to open it fully and exit safely. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support more practical car tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for comfortable, durable socks backed by a lifetime warranty. They stay cozy during long roadside jobs and keep your feet happy while crawling into trunks. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. If the emergency release is missing or the cable looks detached, remove interior panels carefully to inspect the mechanism. Use a flashlight to locate hidden tabs, kinks, or debris that could block the latch, and clear obstructions with gloves and tools as needed. For a stuck latch, apply a light spray lubricant on the mechanism, work the handle gently until it moves freely, and consider professional service if the cable or latch appears damaged or corroded.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.